how to turn off or on allow sites to play sounds. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on sites sounds on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google, click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Scroll down again until you find sound, and here you're gonna find allow sites to play sounds, and you can turn off to block or to mute sites that play sounds, or you can turn on this option wherever you want or wherever you are comfortable with. For example, I turn off this option to mute all the sites that play sounds. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.